Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can.
Hello! It is Vlogmas Day 24, which is insane. Today is Christmas Eve, tomorrow is Christmas, and yeah, it is actually quite late. It is 2:30 and I'm just now picking you guys up. But as you saw, I had a bath this morning, which was great. I just uploaded my video, which is scheduled to go up at 3:30, so yeah, so check that out. I'll put a link in the iCards and obviously in the bio down below for you guys to check it out. But yeah, so obviously this is the last Vlogmas video of 12 Days of Vlogmas, which is crazy. I'm shocked that I actually did it because you know me, and vlogging is not one of my strongest suits, but I'm getting better, I think, and I'm actually enjoying it. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe because there are going to be vlogs coming up in the new year. But anyways, back to Christmas before we get ahead of ourselves. As for the rest of the day, I am planning on making some cookies, so I'm gonna do that now, and after that I think I'm just literally gonna hang out in bed until later. I think I might do a quick workout and stretch tonight because I don't plan on doing any tomorrow because obviously it's Christmas. And then yeah, I'm just gonna chill out. There's a movie slash documentary I want to watch on Netflix called The Hot Chocolate Nutcracker, I think. It's about the Debbie Allen Dance Academy. So yeah, I'm gonna watch that, get in the Christmas spirit, hang out, get my jammies on. So yeah, also I apologize about my hair, but I'm keeping it in separate 4 sections so I can put it in a poof tomorrow. But yeah, let's get into this video and let me stop talking and let's go bake some cookies. Okay, so as you saw, I just finished baking my cookies, so I'm just making some tea, and now I'm gonna watch the Hot Chocolate Nutcracker. So Merry Christmas, guys. Happy Vlogmas 25. That is the end of this vlog and therefore the end of Vlogmas, which is so crazy. I cannot believe I actually did 12 days of Vlogmas. So I really am so proud of myself that I actually finished, and I'm really happy that you guys were enjoying the vlogs. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. There will definitely be a lot of content coming up in the new year, so yes, be sure to stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram. All of my socials will be in the bio. And yeah, I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone, and I really hope you guys have a great rest of the year. We'll try to have a great rest of the year. So with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video and talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.